Hey, and welcome back to another video. So this is not a specific repair video or anything like that, but I really can't say that because sometimes stuff that was listed as working turns up broken, and stuff that was listed as broken turn up working. So we never know. So this video might go either way. But what we have today is this. It's a Nokia Lumia 1020 and I got it for a mere $32 and it was listed as working. Now, if you remember a few weeks back, I got this 1020. The seller had listed it as a 920 and its battery was bloated, but I replaced the battery and it's all good now. This thing, though it was listed as a 920, is actually a 1020 and I got it for a mere $13. It works and everything, so we'll take a look at that too in a bit. You guys saw that in all my previous videos. Anyway, the only issue I have with this thing is the display. The digitizer is lifting out of the screen. I gotta paste it down. I pasted it once, but it still doesn't want to stay. Also, before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it helps me out a lot. Also, hit that bell notification button down there to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. This one is apparently working. We're going to take a look at it. Mere $32. These things go for much higher. So I guess the seller didn't really know what its real value is. Let me open this bag off camera because the, you know what, never mind. I can just cut it open like that. This will be the second last phone that I'll be buying for a while because I'll be going back home for the summer. And I'll do an update on this separately as well. I'll be going back home for the summer. And my eBay parts repair playlist and a couple of the, well, only the repair playlist will have to stop for about 3 months while I'm at home. But I will be doing repairs because I do have phones back home that need repairing. So it's just the eBay repair playlist won't be active for about 3 months because I will be outside the US. But I'll definitely have loads of content coming because I'll be taking some of these phones with me, and I'll be doing videos there as well. Let me get this opened. I might be able to get phones from Ukraine and like Eastern Europe when I'm back home because it's easier shipping from there than to the US. So this is the black one. This one's display is not lifting off the screen. Let's compare the two. Both don't have that much scratches on their back. This one's faded. The Nokia branding and all have faded. This one is more pronounced. Oh, yeah, this one's faded. So this one has been used a bit more. Displays, they look similar. Both don't have scratches. This had a scratch resistant coating. They're both AT&T, so they're just the only difference is the color. SIM card tray is there. Let's power this thing on and see what's up. Also, good news, I finally got my hand on a Nokia N9 N9-00. This is normal, this whole thing. There's a bit of burn, I think, on the AMOLED there. Is that burn? Or does that count as burn? I don't know. We'll see. But either way, I still got a Nokia N900 with aka the Nokia N9 running Bell OS, and it'll be here in a few weeks. So I'm excited for that. It has a crack on the top, not on the glass, but on the plastic. But I'm really excited to see that phone. This one seems to have been reset. Let's see what it's running. Let's do settings. Where is it? About, yeah, so it's 8.1. It's running the Denim update. I want to see if there's image burn on this display. Let's look at some of the stock photos. How do look at the stock photos on this thing? Let's go to settings because it looked like there's a bit of image burn on the AMOLED. Choose backgrounds. How do I How do I get this to like full? This will show it. No, I need a white-ish color at the bottom. Will this do it? Most probably, but let's see if we have anything else. This might. Yeah, that might. Okay, so let's go back, lock the phone. I really can't tell. Does this thing have image burn? I saw now usually when these phones turn on, the screen is like that. It does on that too. I don't think I can access it like that, but I can access it from there. But it doesn't seem like to. You know what? I have an idea. Let's move these here. Oh, they're at the bottom. And now we can see if there's image burn. Yeah, there's slight image burn on this display. Very slight. If you can see there, just look at here. There are circles. You'll see circles like that. Those circles are image burn. So very slight image burn on this display. Not too bad. This one does not have image burn at all. This is actually the first time I've seen image burn on a Nokia display, on a Nokia AMOLED. It's pretty hard to come by because they're AMOLEDs of a higher quality and usually don't get image burn. But yeah, there's definitely some image burn. As you can see, they're very faint, just the bottom menu. I think that menu comes from the texting application. I think I can't say for sure, but when you're using it in general, you don't notice it. So let's turn down the brightness. I'm pretty sure the previous owner used it at full brightness, so we'll turn down the brightness a bit. It's set on automatic. Okay, so low. That'll help. Usually when you use it as a dock theme, the image burn does not come up, but maybe that just came up this time. Let's turn this one on. I can show you that this does not have image burn. Well, it does too really faintly. I don't know if that's picking up on camera. It's really faint, but it's not as much as that. This one's a bit more prominent. Well, I didn't notice that earlier. Maybe I wasn't just paying attention, but it's not that bad at all. This one's a bit more prominent. But if I just keep these off and keep them on low brightness, they're going to be fine. My biggest problem with this phone is this display. Surprisingly, the battery held its charge. Okay, so I think this thing is also running 8.1. I forgot. Let's see. Yeah, this one's running 8.1 too. And in case you didn't know, I didn't know this for some time too. All Lumia 1020s show their model name as the 909 because that's the when the phone was being like developed, it was called Project 909, the Nokia 909. So they stuck with calling it the 909 even after it was released. So Project 909 or whatever it was called, for some reason they called it the 909. Either way, there's nothing much else I can say. I'm just gonna turn these off, and I've already done a lot of videos on these phones, so I don't think you'll be seeing these for a while. The phone you guys will be seeing next is the N9 for sure, and there's gonna be a lot of coverage on that. Because that phone is rare as hell, especially not tampered with, because 90% of the N9s you get on eBay are refurbs from China, so they've swapped the bodies out for fakes. This one has a crack on its plastic, but it's still the original body and everything. It's a used phone, so I'd rather have a damaged original body than a crappy knockoff body. So I'm really excited for that. It works, everything, and it has its cameras at the bottom here. It shares a lot of design aspects with the Nokia Lumia 800 because it was released around the same time. But we shall see once I get my hands on that. Anyway, that was just this quick. Well, it's not really quick. It's almost 10 minutes, but just a video to show you the new 1020 that I got my hands on. So I have two of them. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.